This is an interesting question, and it's one that's worthy of me answering. Can you view a profile of those who ask questions? Well, I can't do it in this screen as I'm typing an answer, but I can come back to here, and under the eye there, I can click on that. And this is going to give me what's called the activity log of this question. And at the very bottom, I can see the question was added by somebody with the handle no name. Now, if I right click and open in a new tab, I can see that no name joined Quora in 2018, has asked one question, has one follower. That's about all they've done. And they've only recently, as of March 30th, asked that one question. So yes, you can see the profile of the people who ask questions. Those who spend a little bit more time, their profiles will be built out a little better, a little more informative. You'll be able to see more of their credentials over here, the spaces, what they involved in, and if they did, you'll see links to all of their content in their Quora profile, along with their answers, their questions, their posts, etc., etc. I'm Teddy. I'm a Quora contributor, and I hope this was helpful for you.